Ever found yourself needing to make a quick call, but weren't sure the best way to do it with your RingCentral system? Maybe you're at your desk, or perhaps you're on the go with just your mobile phone. Or what if you need to call an international number? Or even add someone to an existing conversation? RingCentral is a powerful communication platform, and understanding how to leverage all its calling capabilities can truly streamline your workflow, whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started. In today's deep dive, we're going to demystify making calls on RingCentral. We'll cover everything from the basic steps for a quick dial to more advanced features like call flip and transferring calls. By the end of this video, you'll be a RingCentral calling master, confident in handling any communication scenario. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the primary ways you can make a call using RingCentral. You have a few options, each designed for different situations, giving you the flexibility to communicate however you need to. The most common way, and perhaps the easiest to grasp, is using the RingCentral desktop app. This app essentially transforms your computer into a full-featured desk phone. To make a call, simply open the RingCentral app on your computer. You'll usually see a prominent dial pad icon, often in the upper right corner or within a dedicated phone section. Click on this and a dial pad will appear. You can then either type in the phone number directly, just as you would on a regular phone. So, if you're calling a local number, input the 7 or 10 digits. For long-distance or international calls, remember to include the country and area codes as needed. As you type, RingCentral is smart. It will often suggest contacts from your company directory or personal contacts if the numbers match. If you see the contact you want, simply click on their name to initiate the call. Alternatively, if you know the extension of a colleague within your RingCentral system, you can just type in their extension number to reach them directly, bypassing external dialing entirely. Once the number is entered, click the call button, and you're good to go. Now, what if you're not at your desk? The RingCentral mobile app is your best friend. Available for both iOS and Android, this app brings the full power of your RingCentral system right to your smartphone. The process for making a call here is very similar to the desktop app. Open the mobile app, navigate to the phone or dialer section, and you'll find a virtual dial pad. Just like on the desktop, you can manually enter a number, select from your contacts, or dial an internal extension. The beauty of the mobile app is its seamless integration with your phone's native contact list, making it incredibly convenient to call someone already in your phone. Just ensure you're making the call through the RingCentral app to leverage your business number and features. Beyond the dedicated apps, RingCentral offers a fantastic feature called Click to Dial. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're often working with phone numbers on websites or in documents. With Click to Dial configured, you can simply click on any linked phone number on a web page or within certain applications, and RingCentral will automatically launch a call through your chosen RingCentral device. Be it your desktop app, mobile app, or even a paired desk phone. To set this up, you typically need to enable it in your RingCentral app settings and ensure RingCentral is set as your default app for call-to links in your operating system settings. Once done, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Speaking of desk phones, if your RingCentral setup includes a physical desk phone, often an IP phone provided by RingCentral or a compatible third-party device, making calls is as intuitive as using a traditional phone. Simply pick up the handset or press the speaker button and dial the number or extension on the physical keypad. Your desk phone is already connected to your RingCentral service, so it functions as a direct extension of your cloud-based phone system. This is often preferred by those who like the tactile feel of a traditional phone or need features like dedicated line buttons. Let's move on to some more advanced calling features that truly elevate your RingCentral experience. One incredibly useful feature is call flip. Imagine you're on a call on your desk phone, but you need to leave the office. Instead of hanging up and redialing on your mobile, call flip lets you seamlessly transfer the live call from one device to another without interruption. During an active call, you'll typically see a flip or transfer to mobile option in your desktop or mobile app. Tapping or clicking this will allow you to send the call to another one of your registered RingCentral devices, such as your mobile phone or even another desk phone. It's a lifesaver for maintaining continuity and professionalism. What about transferring calls to another person? RingCentral makes this straightforward. During an active call, look for a transfer button or option. When you click or tap this, you'll typically be given two choices: warm transfer or consultative transfer. This is the recommended method. With a warm transfer, you first connect with the person you're transferring the call to before bringing the original caller into the conversation. This allows you to explain the situation to your colleague, ensuring a smooth handoff. You'll usually dial their extension or number, speak to them, and then complete the transfer. Blind transfer. This immediately transfers the caller to another extension or number without you speaking to the recipient first. While quicker, it can sometimes lead to confusion for the recipient if they're not expecting the call. For those moments when you need to bring multiple people into a conversation, RingCentral offers easy conference calling. During an active call, you'll find an add or conference button. Clicking this will allow you to dial another number or select a contact. Once that person answers, you'll usually have the option to merge the calls, bringing all parties into a single conference. This is perfect for team collaborations or multi-party discussions. RingCentral also provides options for caller ID management. When making an outbound call, you can often choose which of your assigned RingCentral numbers or even your main company number will be displayed as your caller ID. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple lines or want to present a unified company presence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.